Today we take a look at the thread checker. It's a nice solid filling thread checker. It's nice and thick, which is good, which means that we're going to have more threads on there so that we can actually check our threads and make sure that even the threads that are close are going to be actually accurate, because if you can only get one thread in, you could misidentify a thread. We do have a gauge right here on the side in inches as well as metric, so we can confirm our bolt lengths without having it a separate gauge. Metric on the left, SAE on the right. This does start all the way down to a 3, which is great because most of them start at a 4. So we can check even the very tiny threads with this. And that goes all the way up to a 16 millimeter. We got a 1/2 inch in the fine as well as coarse thread, and that goes all the way down to a 440. We also have shaft checkers, so you can see right here, these are threaded, these are straight, so that way if we want to check something like a drill size, we can use that to confirm that. So a lot of options in this thread checker. We do have some slots here on the bottom as well as on the top, so we can screw this to the wall. We could attach magnets and just stick that onto our toolbox. It does have feet on the back, so this will be raised slightly from the surface, and that is a nice rubbery material. So I have a small assortment of hardware. The first thing I usually do is try to match up the male size of the thread. So you can see that one is close, but not quite, because I can slide that back and forth. So this is probably metric. The shaft looks right, and we can see that it does lock, so it is a lot harder to slide back and forth. And we can thread that in, and that is passing through no problem. So that is a 6mm 1.0, so 1mm per thread. This is a smaller bolt, and that does appear to be a 0.7, and that is in fact an M4 0.7. And it looks to me like this one is the same. So then we got a nut. That is too small. That is too small. So that is a 6mm 1.0. So now that I got this organized, I can go take that, put it in the drawer, so I'll know that both of these are going to be a 6mm, both those are going to be a 4mm. And then in the event that I know that that's what I'm looking for, I already know exactly what these are. So overall, that is a very handy tool.